live pinging or baragi.
15 seconds iya. Sininapan ko sila sa bahay.
Touch this wash.
Focus.
Patay na si Sosh ha, patay na si Sosh.
Get out muna.
Live pinging where they are still.
Hindi mo inside castle na south.
Looking.
Guys, looking mo, nakatunga nga kayo lahat dyan.
Fake.
I'm playing.
Yeah, I'm scouting still, They're still here
Ready
ah.
to
I'm playing west.
They have engaged. Guys, wake up. They have engaged. Enemy has engaged.
Basta.
Working southeast ulit yung ano
Ready
sa
guys, on
barangay.
3, 2, 1, everything on me, everything.
Shaper.
What?
How?
What?
Walang nagwa-watch ng flank na to.
Saber na.
Yan,
Walang
clamp pa kayo sa isang ano.
tang.
Ready.
Don't lose.
Keep, binitawan ko na kasi pushing at na yung sila baragi southeast.
May nakikita akong healer na nag-lose. Kakaluin ko na to.
Looking na guys,
Ako
looking
yun.
na.
Ako yun kanina.
Oh, isa pa
Hindi,
kayo.
meron yung kanina pa eh. Wala sa team.
Guys,
Nagkahanap akong pats kanina. Wala
Oh,
akong
sige, okay lang pagpasin ko. Pero pag nakita
Barangay southeast side ah, pushing na.
Pasok na si Meerkat sa Lord Room.
pats na hinahanap.
boom, boys, boom.
Okay lang.
Focus
okay lang.
guys.
Nasa Lord Room na Mercat.
I'm northeast of college.
Where's Nimo?
I'm playing north.
Careful
Nasa
if
Lord
there's
Room
bombs, guys. Turn on your mic and say it if you see it
West side
around
ng
us.
ano. Naglalaro sa southwest gate ng Lord Room yung
Hug wall
Northeast,
when
northeast.
you're entering.
Uy, ba't papasok kayo ng pasok?
Bro,
Yung guard.
Come southwest, kill the guards.
spread out.
Come southeast.
Stay here.
Ready. Everyone, hold. Keep walk in now, everyone walk in and ball.
Shaper.
Bro, shaper down. Walk in. Ready guys, on a choke boys, everything on a choke. On a choke now, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything choke. Trap nyo lang lahat sa choke. Muntik pa sila mamatay. Spread, come northwest. Spread kayo northwest.
LBX
Spread kayo northwest. Ang tapo nyo guys, ang tapo nyo yan. Mag-lenses kayo. Northwest bro, mag-northwest kayo. Ingat over the wall.
People on northwest.
Shaper.
Kaya died again.
Naku, yung isa.
Huli ako nung nabing.
Come southwest boys, come southwest, wake up. Wake up, ready ah.
LBXX, D812 na.
Okay, ready, southwest bro. Ready, southwest ah.
Next full will be
Playing north.
Yeah, wait for it. We're gonna counter.
5 seconds.
Southwest now, everyone southwest now. Southwest now, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest to me. Anda, lalim.
Puta, walang CPS.
Come.
Basta.
Naiwan yung DPS.
Don't leave Kiba.
My bad. I
I
tried.
have
Slave leader level
Ito yung
3.
ano ito na yung
Anong
LBX.
PGA nila teachers oh?
Playing
Thunder
southwest.
lang.
Currently
Can you
13.
guys catch?
Dismounted daw sa northeast ng slave leader.
Sino? Come
Slave leader.
Still 13 stealth.
Okay, come northeast. Chase it.
Wala akong nakat.
So your caller.
Southeast. Come southwest. Everyone come southwest.
Unwiping.
Wag na, balik ka na dito.
Balik na.
Sige lang.
Go inside.
Come southwest. Everyone come
Yung
inside.
isang person na nakikigulo.
I'll tell you guys when they dismount.
Come southwest. Guys, ready.
Ano, sabihin mo,
Guys,
isang tank
ready.
mag-watch ng
Walk
flank.
up, boys. Walk in now. Everyone walk in. Fast.
Walk in, guys.
Go northwest. Everyone go northwest. Yung flank natin, mapa-flank tayo ah. Mapa-flank tayo northwest ah.
Hindi ko
Full circle na going out northwest.
Guys, northwest. Everyone come northwest.
Yes, 6, 6.
Northwest, boys. Hold them. Southwest, everyone on the choke. On the choke now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every choke.
I got
Okay,
that.
go back and kite northeast, boys. Kite northeast.
I'm dropping.
Jump.
I'm beaming Kipo. I beam Kipo. I cannot beam Kipo anymore. I got that.
Okay.
Keep healing Kipo.
I'm healing him.
Guys, come southeast. Watch that. Watch your flank. Gig pads ah. Spread southeast. We're gonna full walk in on Nimo ah. Ready. Ready, may brawlers ah. Come northwest. Guys, walk.
Where's our chariot though?
Pressure gig pads if they engage. Just walk in. Try to flank. Try to flank. Keep chasing them. Keep chasing them, boys.
Baka mag-lock bigla, ingat.
Keep chasing, boys. Walk in.
Get ready to defensive and then heal.
Just press your buttons. Okay?
Playing south of Kipo.
Yeah. Hold them.
And
Guys, ito yung shaper. On the shaper, boys. 3, 2, 1. Shaper, boys. Shaper. Nice. Kill that. Ready.
No CD.
Kill the shaper.
Ay, engaging southwest. Southeast, engaging southeast.
Come north, come north, come north, come north, come north,
Careful,
come north, 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 Come northeast. Please get up, please get up. We're so bad at this, bro. It's so bad when it's like multiple zones.
Oh, slave, dismounting, northeast, dismounting, northeast, slave,
Chill,
slave.
everyone spread. Go north. Wait for them to engage.
Keep healing. I am out of
So
colors.
they matakot if they engage just Giga. Just Giga. Just
I don't have any more Giga. I'll have to place it.
Come northwest. Guys, maglakad lang kayo northwest.
One healer down.
It's a fake, it's a fake.
Yeah, guys, just walk northwest. Just walk northwest.
I'm hard
Disengage.
broken.
Boys, disengage, boys.
It's okay, I'm good.
Help healing. Looking na. Nice.
They miss on me.
Okay, guys, shallow lang. Everyone, shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. Shallow. Give bats.
I dead. One healer down.
I jump.
Spread.
How many
No,
healers
get
left?
it.
Hindi na tayo makakamount. Just play.
Get it to beam ko po. I'll use.
How many healers left,
Go northwest.
Patay si Iyo, ma'am. Saho lang di tayo. Bawas isang
Out
ano.
na.
Nag-pull out sila, keep.
Going pull out.
Ang bad natin.
Gigi.
Sobrang bad. Ang nagsayang tayo ng sets dito.
Mahirap, guys,